Oh no, I just purchased this and look at this. I've got a snag. Yep. Okay, that's not good. Now, I could return it, but I don't have to because this can be fixed. All you need to fix that snag is one of these. These are crochet hooks. It's what your grandmother would have used to make shawls or baby blankets. And if you don't have one of these handy, if you have a friend that highlights their hair, this basically is the same thing. It comes in highlighting kits, and that can also be used. So I'll show you how to use one of these, and I think this size, which is close to the plastic hook, is the one that will work best. Okay, so here we are. Here's our snag, and what we need to do is to thread that crochet hook under here and then pull this yarn under here. There's two of them. Hook it and pull it under. There we go. So, okay, that's partially pulled under. We still have a little bit sticking out. What we can do is go onto the other side. We'll turn this around. So we know that's right here. And we'll put our needle through. I think it was here. Yep. And see. Oh, okay, let's do it like this. Got this little bit still sticking up. So we'll put this here. Is that close enough to get this guy hooked and pulled through the other side? Oh, that worked, I think. Let's pull that thread. Yep. Okay. Pull it through. Pull it through. Okay. Pull it through. Okay. That is still sticking up, okay? So what can we do? We can go in this direction and see what happens. Okay, that's good. So we got rid of the snag on that side, and now it's here. There's still a little more. So again, we'll keep pulling it through. Get on there. Okay. That looks decent. And here we still have it still popping out a little. So we have to make another pass. Now it's getting shorter, so we have to get it real close. Okay. Got it hooked. Nope, it's tricky. Okay. got it hooked and we will pull it through. Yay, that worked. Now what's on the other side? Okay. So now this has to be pulled through again. Let's go here. Okay, that's good. I pulled it there. What? Keep going. Let's keep going. We'll get this fixed. Okay. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. Now we just have this one little thing here. Okay. So let's go through here. Again, staying close to that loose thread. Hook it over, pull it through. Okay. Decent, decent. And now we have, you can see it's starting to look better than it did. We just have this one little area now to work with or work on. So let's pull it through again. Okay. Turn that over. Is it here? Okay. That's looking good. Let's turn it over exactly so okay. We've made that disappear. We've made the snag disappear. Yeah, it looks okay. It will not be, oops, it will not be visible. Yay. So there it is. My reading room library throw is as good as new. And wow, I'm really pleased with that. It's like life, isn't it? Sometimes we hit a snag, but if we work at it, we can make things okay again. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.